Lesson Plan Number 24 Part 2. Next is internal CSS method. Create a new file and save it as tla24.2.html. Then copy contents of tla24.1 into tla24.2 file. In inline methods, the CSS properties are making the length of the line longer. We can apply CSS inside the head tag under style tag. This is called internal CSS. Type body in between style tags and type flower brackets or braces. In between the braces, copy the CSS properties of body tab and paste it here. Same properties, just way of applying is different. Note that body tag remains intact. We are just changing the way how CSS is applied to HTML file. Do not delete the body tag. Now in the same way do it for H1 tag. Type H1 in between style tag. Then type braces. In between the braces, copy CSS properties and paste it here. Now let's follow same procedure for paragraph tag CSS properties. Type p tag under style tag. Then type braces. Then copy and paste CSS properties here. Now select full text and right-click and select Format Selection. The text will be aligned line was. Adding a comment to mark start and end of internal CSS. To comment, just press Ctrl and /. Save the file and right-click to open in Live Server and observe the result. Let's learn about selectors like class. A class attribute is used to specify a class for an HTML element. To create a class, type class followed by the class name. For X, within the opening tag of H1 heading, type class equals chars_1. Here we are assigning a class to H1 tag with the class name as chars_1. Now to call the class, we make use of a dot operator. Class is called under style tag. So type dot followed by the class name, that is chars_1. The under opening and closing flower braces, type the CSS properties for class chars_1. Now let's create class and use it. Inside H1 tag, type class and select it. Give any name to a class. I have given chars_1 for the H1 tag class. Similarly, give another name to the paragraph tag class. For example, chars_2. Now in internal style CSS, we can use class name assigned to H1 tag in place of H1. Class can be called in CSS by typing dot followed by the class name. For example, .chars_1. Now let's replace p tag with its associated class name, that is chars_2. Type .chars_2. Finally, save the file and open it using Live Server. That is, right-click and open using Live Server. That is the end of lesson plan number 24. Thank you.